So hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to convert Bitcoin to Euro on Binance. So to do this is pretty simple. So go to your wallets and then you'll have to go to your spot or funding depending on where your Euros are. So let's say your Euros are right here. So you want to search for Euros for an example only. So here we have Euro, which is a fiat. So you can deposit your Euros here and you can go to funding. So basically all you have to do is go to P2P, just transfer to your funding and then go to P2P, and then here in Euros you can see you can buy or sell, so you can convert it into actual Bitcoin. So basically all you have to do is select Bitcoin right here and then your payment method from there. So as you can see right here, you can buy using your Euros. So let's say you want to buy about 1,000 euros worth of Bitcoin, and you want to select your payment method from there, do bank transfer from there, and then all you have to do is buy BTC, and there you go. Just head on with your bank transfer and then it'll redirect you to your bank, and then you'll have your Bitcoin in no time with the seller. So if this video is helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.